Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil on a 2.4 liter Kia engine. It's a very simple process that you can do in about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's get started. Go ahead and pop the hood. And then go ahead and loosen the oil cap just to relieve any pressure so the oil will drain out faster. All right, when you come under the car, you're going to see two access panels, one in the front. This one is going to be for the oil filter. There's going to be one behind it right here, and this is going to be to get access to your oil drain plug. So go ahead and just remove both of them. To do that, just take a flathead screwdriver, and what you do is just put your flathead screwdriver underneath the lip, and these will pop right out. And if they break, just go ahead and replace them. And then your oil drain plug is right here. Go ahead and put your drain pan in place underneath the drain bolt. Alright, now we're going to remove the bolt, the drain plug bolt, and it's a 17 millimeter. Alright, then just go ahead and give it a few minutes to let all the oil drain out. Alright, once it comes to a slow drip, we're going to go ahead and replace the oil drain plug. And we're going to torque it to 25 foot-pounds. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and remove the oil filter. To do that, I'm going to use a filter wrench. This is a 74 millimeter to 76 millimeter wrench, and it just slides up on there like this. Just go ahead and loosen it, and then once you get it loosened, you can go ahead and take it off by hand. Let's go ahead and let that oil pour in your drain pan for a minute. Alright, once the oils come to a slow drip, go ahead and remove the filter. Okay. Alright, so we're going to take the new oil filter. And I like to pre-fill these with oil. These engines require 5W20 and they take 5.1 quarts. So what I do is I'm going to put the 0.1 quarts inside this filter, and then the rest of it I'm going to pour through the top of the engine. Okay, should be good. All right, I'm just going to clean up the mating surface around where the filter mounts to the engine. And then we're going to take the new filter and just screw it on hand tight only. Let's get it started. Okay, you just want to, like I said, you only want to hand tighten this. Okay, and you're good on that part. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and refill the oil with the remaining 5 quarts. Go ahead and put your funnel in. And that's going to take this entire container. Alright, go ahead and replace your cap. Alright, once you fill it with oil, go ahead and inspect it. Make sure you don't see any drips or leak. Go ahead and replace your undercarriage covers. If you had the car jacked up, go ahead and lower it. With the car level, go ahead and check the engine oil level. And as you can see, it's right at the F. It's also a good idea to go ahead and reset the service interval. So go ahead and push the menu button and go down to service interval. Hit OK on the button. And then scroll down to reset. Hit OK. Reset the time and distance. Hit yes. And you're good to go. All right, well, that's how you change the oil on a 2.4 liter Kia engine. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.